We're going to talk about how to fix that today on Dad It Yourself. Alrighty, so my smoke detector started going off at 6:30 this morning. And any of you who know that have a smoke detector go off when you're sleeping, you never know where that is. You search your whole house trying to find it. Fortunately, I figured out it was this one right here, down in my common area. This is where my dining room, living room, and other common area are. I have 5 more upstairs, a common area one in the hallway, and one in each bedroom. This one is a smoke detector carbon monoxide, and upstairs carbon monoxide in the hallway, and then smoke detectors in the bedrooms. And they're all interlinked by wire and battery backup. So I did what any normal person would. I finally figured out which one it was. I got a footstool and I changed out the batteries, and it kept chirping. So I pulled it down one more time and I looked at it, and I don't know if you can see it, but this one was made in November of 2013. So it is almost 11 years old. You're supposed to replace these every 10 years. As a handyman, I give that recommendation all the time to people. And so I knew it was getting to be time anyways, but we moved into this house in 2014. I figured I had another few months, but if you look at the little chart, it tells you why it was beeping even with good batteries, and that means it's past 10 years old, and it knew it. So it just decided at 6:30 in the morning that it was going to start chirping. So we're going to go ahead and replace them all. Okay, so here's the old unit, and here's my replacement unit. And these are exactly the same in their functionality. They don't make these anymore, obviously, 11 years old. So here's the new one. And these are battery backup with a hard wire connection. There's a hard wire there. And there's the hard wire there. But unfortunately, this adapter is different than the adapter that's on this one. I usually try to stay with the same manufacturer. So in most cases, you just unclip them, clip the new one into the existing wiring, and no big deal. But can't do that with this one because this adapter is different. But that's easy. It's just a matter of white to white, black to black, red to red. So let's go ahead and put this new adapter into the existing, and we'll get the rest changed out. So that's all wired up. Took me 30 seconds. So you probably heard all the beeping going on while I was installing that and pushing the buttons and testing it, and that it worked all through the whole house. And that's why you have a wired system. So if something goes off down here, it notifies you upstairs or downstairs or in a closed room or something like that. And I got super fortunate that new one fit right into the existing bracket, so I didn't have to take it down and put the new bracket up. But they're all standard, so if I had to just loosen the 2 screws, take the old bracket off, screw the new bracket right back up on, it would have been another minute or so to put this in. Let's go ahead and put the rest of them in the house. Hey, don't forget, these are an electrical device, so if you're not comfortable working with electricity, hire a licensed professional. And remember to dispose of the smoke detectors and batteries per your local instructions. These smoke detectors are going to give me and my family peace of mind and feel safe in our home for the next 10 years. I'll have links down in the descriptions and on my shop tab to the products I used in this video. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, don't forget to put those down below. Speaking of comments, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you do, hit that bell for notifications. I've got some videos over here you may be interested in. Subscribe button's right here. Thanks for watching. Dad it yourself.